Hi, welcome to my channel. Namhlanje masithandazeleni. It could be your sister, it could be your brother, it could be your child, your son, your daughter, your nephew, your niece, your neighbor. Asike sibathandazeleni abo abakwi-drug addiction. Ukhumbule ukuthi as amaKristu, we don't only pray for thina esingekho sezingxakini esinjalo kuphela, but sithandazela wonke umuntu. But before sithandaza, ndifuna ukukomeleza. I want to encourage you, mamam. I want to encourage you, dadam. I want to encourage you, my brother or sister. Uyabona lo muntu wakowenu who is battling drug addiction, uThixo uzosiguqula isimo sakhe. Akukho lula ngoku umphefumulo wakho uyalila, inhliziyo yakho yophukile, umoya wakho udandathekile, kodwa ndiyakuthembisa okokubana uYesu uyinkosi. Yesu uyayiva imithandazo. uYesu akayenzi impazamo. Njengoba ufumane lo mthandazo nje, kungenxa yokokubana kufanele ufumane. Futhi lo mthandazo uza kumnceda lo muntu ozawubumcinga enhlizweni yakhe. Before sithandaza, ndicela inhliziyo yakho ingakhathazeki ukuba ngumntwana wakho lo. Ndicela